Okay, so we finally have resin phase for 16. Also an update, we have metal inserts, so we no longer have to worry about stripping housing, screw housing, and actually it's metal, so we are making some progress. I don't want to risk and have this available with the screw housing missing, so that's metal, and it's actually the correct size for hold on, this is very small screwdriver. I need a bigger one, bigger head, but tip head, but it's working. There, perfect. Quick test. I like to do some quick testing on, actually don't forget to test. I always test to make sure we have enough clearance on these wheels, so no problem should be. We need to actually I like to do a lot of intense testing, and we're going to do some tests we shouldn't be doing on this model. Just a little bit of abuse. It could come off if we force it, but we are not supposed to be doing this. Just see if stays in place or not. I just like to make sure it's okay. It looks like it's still in there. I'm hitting this with this thing. Okay. It seems that the metal insert is still in there, no problem at all. We have big update with the metal inserts. Did another test here, another test here. One more test, good to go. Okay, big progress. Faces for the, I just got these faces out of the cure station. Still need to do little sanding, and let me to show you what I do. Can you hear that thing sucking the air out of it? It's extractor fan, whatever you name it, you call it. Ooh, almost wet. Ooh. Okay, so I do sand like so, just to make sure we got some sort of smooth finish, and then this will be able to glue it onto the model, and then a little bit of support marks right there. We just sand it with the sponge. We have a 320, but I should be using 440, but it's okay since it's used a lot, has been used a lot. It's almost good and smooth for it. There. I notice the faces, they are almost ready, but some people prefer or use this kind of face, I mean shade. I'm using what's the name of this, old age, some sort of gray or something. But actually I was thinking to maybe just paint the eyeballs and pupils and the eyebrows, and it should be ready to go. But anyways, there are different tastes, different ways to do this. The only thing we need now is some detailing. Just showing you a sample how this thing should, well, the easiest way to do it. The vinyl, we need to do the vinyl, that will be for tomorrow, but here we have a sample. We already talked about this. We have the sample right there. Vinyl looks really nice for lining, and we did an upgrade with the screw inserts. They are melted on the filament part, which is really good. I was also thinking, I'm gonna go ahead and do that later. Now this needs, it's underlining, I mean underlight. There, it's too dark. So I think I showed you this before. There's smudger and Renias. One problem with this is, this was the first test. I printed oriented like so, in this kind of angle, 40, I mean it was 35 degree tilted to 20 or 15, 20, and leave me these marks. But this is, like I say, was the test, and we had here something that was much better. I just want to share my experience. That's for Mattel right there. Mattel, see the different tabs. This is the only one that couplers in the back of the Rheneas chassis. But anyways, so we have smudger, we have Rheneas. I might try to print some Rheneas. I've never done Rheneas available. But anyways, what else? Yes, one more thing we need to check is which shade should I pick. I mean, this is the closest one I have. I also have something like this, but I think still needs some kind of reddish. But the problem is I am not able to find any. Hold on, maybe this right there with the I think original. I mean, it's the lining. That one looks darker, and these two are not the same. These have some sort of black speckles, right? See there? Trying to mimic the bricks. So altogether, which shade should I mean, this looks like it's burgundy. So once printed, no, see, this is the problem. I cannot find the perfect shade. No, it is not. This is the original filament for this Dexter, but it's not that one. I cannot find the perfect shade. So here we have this according to the wiki whatever thing. It's close to this shade, but there are several. No, it's not even that one. How about this one? I don't have any other. I cannot use red. Red is not okay. See, this is red. The red we can find. This is burgundy. Okay, let me know which shade should I use. This is the one I started to print because I had some leftover, and I thought was close. But according to, let me see if I can pick the original thing. Cannot even, hold on, need to turn on the light. That is supposed to be the original engine. No, this is not the shade. So the only things I have available are these. Compare, let me know. Oof, the filament spool. This red, or the brick shade, or this other kind of brownish, orangish thing, whatever. They are not the same. Let me know in the comments what do you think.